for the, like all the permissions associated with this file. This is the owner, that will be me, and then this is related to anyone who have access, and then this one is for the email ID that we give at first, which is this one. Yeah, so let's say that we want to remove this access, access given to anyone with link. So I'm going to come back here. There is this method, delete permission. So I'll say remove this permission from this particular file. I'm going to run this. So if I go here now, you see this is available now to anyone with a link. So if I come back here and run this delete permission, it should be gone anytime now. Yeah, so it's gone. Similarly, if you want to remove this particular user, you have to specify the ID. Okay. So coming back here, I'll specify the ID here. Oh, sorry. This ID. Okay, this does not return the data. So if we click here, at the moment it says not shared. Okay, so that is pretty much from the permissions. You can use this to create permissions, list all the permissions associated with the file, and also to delete the permission. Now,